Good day! Another day to learn something new in English. Now you are watching SED channel and I am your student host, Veronica Makayan from PUP Manila. Before we proceed on our topic, let us now discuss the primary or basic structure, the sentence. When we say sentence, it is a group of words that tells a complete thought. Let us now see if you can distinguish a sentence. The first sentence says, many mystery books. And the second sentence, my favorite color is blue. Now, what can you say about this? The first sentence tells us many mystery books, but it makes no sense, so therefore it is not a sentence. The second sentence, my favorite color is blue, tells a thought that the favorite color of that person is color blue, so therefore it is a sentence.
Sentences can be combined into various different types, from relatively simple to complex. These differences may be characterized in terms of structure or function. When you classify a sentence in terms of structure, you do so according to the number and type of clauses it contains. When you classify in terms of function, you do so according to the purpose of the sentence serves. Speakers always has a purpose in uttering a specific sentence, phrase, or clause. Whether a listener is present or not is sometimes irrelevant. When people form sentences, they do many things. They ask questions, make requests, make statements, or they exclaim a powerful feeling or emotion. Because sentences convey statements, requests, strong emotions, and questions, and it goes from one function to the next through a combination of changes in word order, intonation, and the addition of certain auxiliaries or particles, or other times by providing a special verb form. The question, why has this been said, is likely to lead you to a functional classification of sentences, and these are the sentence moods: the declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. Let's take a look at each sentence moods. The first type of sentence mood is a declarative sentence. This sentence makes a statement. It is always ended with a period.
This scene is very beautiful. I love playing chess.
How to make declarative sentence. Writing simple declarative sentence is a matter of following a simple formula. The subject plus predicate. Declarative sentences always have a subject and a predicate. The subject can be simple with a noun phrase, or it can be a compound subject, and after the sentence, be sure to put a period. Here is an example for you. My coat is red. The simple subject on the sentence is my coat, and the predicate is red. The second type of the sentence mood is called the interrogative sentences. These are the sentences that ask questions, permissions, or information. This usually ends with a question mark. There are four types of interrogative sentences: the yes or no interrogatives, number 2, the alternative interrogatives, number 3, the WH interrogatives, and number 4, the tag questions. Here are some examples of yes-no interrogative sentences.
Did you take your vitamins this morning? Do you have your homework ready? Are you ready to go?
The second type of interrogative questions are called alternative questions. These are the questions that can provide two or more alternative answers. In other words, we can use other or it make you choose. The third type of the interrogative is called the WH interrogatives. These interrogatives begins with the WH word and it responds with a simple sentence. Here are some examples of WH interrogatives.
What are you doing?
Where do you live? Now, let us proceed on the third type of sentence mood. It is called the imperative sentence. It is usually gives a command or make a request. It usually ends with a period. Here are some examples of imperative sentences.
Stop. Go.
Hurry!
Pour me a glass of water.
Take me to the library.
Walk through this door and left at the next hallway.
Imperative sentences are more intentional than exclamatory sentences and do require an audience, as their aim is to get the persons being addressed either to do or not to do something. We are now on the last part of our sentence mood discussion. The last sentence mood is called the exclamatory sentences. It expresses strong feelings or emotion. It usually ends with the exclamation point. Here are the examples of the exclamatory sentences.
No, you did not have permission to stay out this late. I can figure this out.
Our team won the championship.
I don't know what happened here. I simply adore you.
I just won the lottery. There are what we call the exclamatory words. These are the words that expresses strong feelings and emotions. Here is a list of common ones, but you can certainly add your own ideas so you'll have a quick and ready list of exclamatory words to use in your writing.
Wow! Brilliant!
Awesome!
Ouch! Amazing!
Bravo!
Fantastic! Tremendos!
Cheese!
Geronimo! Timber!
Eureka!
Hooray! Wowzers!
Gosh!
Jeepers! Magnificent!
Unbelievable! An exclamatory sentence is released because of and expresses strong emotion. They many times feel like involuntary reactions to a situation, yet they can technically be stifled if needed be. They are essentially unfiltered vocalizations of our feelings and a form of self-talk because they are directed either at the speaker themselves or at nobody in particular.
A, I'll give you an A. Question mark at the end. When you write a question, go that extra mile and make her smile just for a while. What does a statement do? It tells something to you. I like to go to school. He dove into the pool. What does a question do? It asks something of you. Do you want to be my friend? Are you with me till the end? You know just what to do. Don't second guess yourself with what sentence to use. Don't put the pencil down. Don't you take a break. It's alright if you make a few mistakes. Period at the end. When you write a command, they tell you just what to do. Go tie your shoes. Now sing me the blues. Exclamations look like a giant upside down eye. Use them when you decide to shout or cry, or you just wanna whine. What does a command do? It tells you what to do.